Ever pondered the art of crafting a stunning flower bouquet? Whether it's for a wedding, a gift, or simply to brighten up a room, a bouquet of flowers can express a variety of emotions. Today, unravel the mystery behind creating a beautiful flower bouquet. Start by gathering the essential tools. These include a sharp pair of scissors or floral shears, floral tape, a vase for holding the flowers while arranging them, and of course, a selection of fresh flowers. The choice of flowers depends on personal preference, the occasion, or the home decor. Roses, tulips, carnations, and lilies are some of the popular choices. Begin the process by filling the vase with fresh water. This keeps the flowers hydrated while preparing the bouquet. The first step in assembling the bouquet is to trim the stems. Cut each stem at a 45-degree angle to allow the flowers to absorb water more efficiently. Next, select a focus flower. This bloom will serve as the centerpiece of the bouquet. Arrange other flowers around this central bloom to create a symmetrical, balanced look. The greenery comes next. Add leaves and other greenery around the flowers. This not only fills in gaps, but adds a touch of nature and freshness to the bouquet. Now secure the bouquet. Wrap the floral tape tightly around the stems, a few inches from the base of the flowers. This keeps the arrangement intact. Finally, add the finishing touches. This could be a ribbon tied in a bow around the stems or a decorative wrapping paper. To summarize, crafting a flower bouquet involves gathering the necessary tools and selecting a variety of fresh flowers. Fill a vase with water and trim the stems of the flowers at a 45-degree angle. Choose a focus flower and arrange the other blooms around it. Add greenery to fill in gaps and wrap floral tape around the stems to keep the arrangement secure. Finish off with a decorative touch. Remember, the beauty of making a flower bouquet is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about personal style and the emotions you want to convey. So why wait? Grab those flowers and start creating something beautiful.